Can you check if the chicken's done?
Yeah, looks golden. I'll take it out.
Thanks. I still need to cut the vegetables.
Want me to start on the fruit platter?
That'd be great. Strawberries are in the fridge.
How many sandwiches are we making?
I'm thinking 24 to be safe.
Smart. Kids eat more than you'd think.
Tell me about it. Can you pass me the cutting board?
Here. Do we have enough juice boxes?
I bought 3 packs yesterday.
What about the dipping sauce?
It's in that bowl. Needs to go in the fridge.
Got it. Should I set out the plates now?
Not yet. Wait till guests arrive.
Makes sense. These strawberries look good.
Wash them twice. Remember last time?
Already on it. How's the pasta salad coming?
Almost done. Just needs seasoning.
This is a lot of food.
Better too much than too little.
True. What time are people coming again?
2 o'clock sharp. Can you hold this end while I tape it?
Got it. Higher or lower?
A bit higher. Perfect. That's good.
Where do you want the balloons?
By the doorway would be nice.
Should I blow up more? We're running low.
Yeah, maybe 10 more. She loves the pink ones.
On it. This place is really coming together.
I hope she loves it. Can you move that chair?
Which one? The blue one?
Yeah, we need space for the games.
Where should I put it?
Just in the corner for now.
What about these streamers?
Hang them from the ceiling fan to the corners.
That's gonna look great.
I think so too. Is the banner straight?
Left side's a little low.
Can you fix it real quick?
There. How's that?
Much better. We're almost done.
Just in time. She'll be up in 20 minutes.
Sarah, so glad you could make it.
Wouldn't miss it. Happy birthday to your little one.
Thank you. Come on in.
Where should I put this gift?
Oh, just on the table by the window.
Everything looks amazing.
Thanks. We've been up since 6.
It shows. She's going to love this.
I really hope so. Can I get you something to drink?
Water would be great, thanks.
Still or sparkling?
Still is perfect.
How's little Tommy doing?
Growing like a weed. He's so excited to be here.
They're gonna have so much fun together. Is the birthday girl around?
She's in her room, getting ready.
I can't believe she's turning 7.
Time flies, doesn't it?
It really does. Where's David?
In the kitchen, finishing up the food.
You two always throw the best parties.
That's so sweet of you to say.
Ready to make a wish, sweetie?
Yes. Can I blow them all out?
Of course.
Take a deep breath. Did you see? I got them all.
I saw. What did you wish for?
I can't tell you or it won't come true.
You're absolutely right. Let's cut the cake.
Can I have the piece with the flower?
The birthday girl gets whatever she wants.
This is the best cake ever.
I'm so glad you like it.
Did you make it yourself?
Grandma helped me with the frosting.
It's so pretty. Can my friends have some now?
Of course. Let me cut pieces for everyone.
Make sure Lily gets a big piece.
I will. She's your best friend, right?
Yeah, We sit together at school.
That's wonderful, honey.
Mom, can I have ice cream with it?
Chocolate or vanilla?
Both.
You're only 7 once. Here you go.
Thank you. I love you, Mom. This one's so big. What is it?
Only one way to find out.
A bicycle! Dad, I love it.
Think you're ready to learn?
Can we try it right now?
After the party, I promise.
This is the best birthday ever.
Wait till you see what Mom got you.
There's more? Can I open it?
Go ahead. It's the purple one.
It's so sparkly. Art supplies.
You've been asking for those markers.
These are the fancy ones.
Only the best for our artist.
Can I draw something for you later?
I'd love that. What about this small box?
It's from Grandma. What could it be?
Open it and see.
A bracelet. It's so pretty.
She picked it out specially for you.
I want to wear it right now.
Let me help you with the clasp.
Thank you, Daddy. This is perfect.
You're very welcome, birthday girl.